Now he's probably getting nervous.
Wait for it. He's gonna say, you know what? No. No, he's excited. Dude!
Hey guys, welcome to the Rainbow Reels with Panos and Matt. We're reacting to episode 4 of Chainsaw Man. Last episode was wild.
Power betrayed Denji to save or rescue her pet cat. Denji ended up fighting the Bat Devil and winning. It was an incredible fight. It was an intense fight. It feels like this is becoming crazier and crazier. Very, very brutal. We're here for it. The animations are amazing. Let's see if Denji and Power will be friends after this betrayal. Let's go. Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, that's Power before.
She's having little chicken nuggets.
Eating the cows. Eating a bear? Oh yeah, of course she can manipulate blood.
Blood manipulation.
Well. Oh, maybe she needs to consume a lot of blood because obviously she's using her blood for when she attacks, right?
That is an interesting theory. Interesting.
See, and that's what I was wondering last episode. How much time has passed between the bat taking the cat and then her bringing
But you know what's also interesting? It looks like she's always lived in the forest and only hunted animals, not harming humans. Now, however, she's obviously looking for a human. The cat's alive.
Oh, yeah, they're still inside the bat. Well, not anymore.
Wow, look at the scene. Oh, this is crazy. This is brutal.
Guts everywhere.
He is sexy, or is it just me? And he's like, whatever, do it.
Now he's probably getting nervous.
Wait for it. He's gonna say, you know what? No. No, he's excited. Dude!
What happened?
What just happened?
Oh, the cat! Oh no, it took its arm. Another devil?
What? What is that? She needs to wake up and help. Enough of this.
He can regrow his arm.
I'm sure he can, yeah. What?
Why?
He doesn't have enough blood.
Ooh. He's...
No!
He can't
do it
activate
again.
it.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
He needs a Frankfurter. It is a different one.
He was my man. Oh my god. You're gonna be my new man.
How's he gonna fight with half a chainsaw?
Yeah.
And what is she, like a worm devil?
Yeah.
No! Oh! Ooh, that looked cool. We need Makima.
Yeah, he needs a bit of help.
A bit of help? He needs to be rescued. He's also not losing blood, that's good.
But why is Power so weak at the moment? She was only in the stomach, no?
I don't know. He's committed, you know? He's like, I've come so close.
We can touch those
He's gonna
titties.
touch. I thought that. He just needs a little blood.
森は私と一緒に人間をすべて食べる夢を見ていた。胸揉む前に死ねっかよ。 くだらない。低俗な欲望を持つ奴に殺されたものね。
Oh. Oh, he's
How
gonna
did he
kill
do
her
that?
too. With half the chain, no? Chainsaw.
From his head?
Yeah. Just the tip. This show is crazy. What are we watching? Titties are just whippling and whippling. Oh my god, I can't. Interesting.
Wow. He's gonna
He
tie
is
up the legs.
so smart.
Oof. Ah.
Where's Power? Come on, girl.
Come on, she needs to help him.
Yes. He wants to feel boobs. He's in an emergency state now.
Wait until someone offers him to actually have sex with him.
He's gonna destroy the world.
No! Damn it.
Oh,
and he's losing more
Power.
blood.
Yummy, yummy.
Whoa.
Power.
Yeah, save him. Oh!
Aki, let's go.
Wow, what is this?
What?
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
よし。
May I
She
swallow?
talked to him? Wow. That's incredible.
Wow, we haven't seen those ones yet.
They're
no?
probably just interns. Wow.
お前と血の魔人は事情聴取。
He must have a huge hole in his stomach, no?
Oh. That is crazy.
What was it that he summoned? Like, so he also has abilities.
Yeah, maybe he can summon devils as well? Or what was it, like a fiend as well?
本当に悪魔みたいなやつだな。てめえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ。デビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う。俺は狐の悪魔と契約している。今回は皮膚を食わした。悪魔は常に人の死を望む。それは魔人も。
So every time he needs to give up something?
コウモリの悪魔が潜んでいたと思われるよう
They know
に
what she
お前の
did.
血が大量に落ちていた。理由はわからないが、お前はまた悪魔に勝た
He wants to touch her boobs. Of course he's gonna take her. It's not big.
どうでしたかな。
I do remember. You do remember what happened. You just want to touch those boobs.
俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。俺の言うことを聞いていれば、お前は今の生活を守れるぜ。どうだ？
Well, agreeing to what?
頭に入れとい
To just follow his command, I guess. Right? He says, I'm the senior, so, and if you want to continue living this way.
どーんと期待しといてくれ。
Okay. I guess that's a yes.
俺たちはデビルハンターです。悪魔でも魔人でも、使えるもんは何でも使うべきだ。
It's interesting that he can also make a pact with the devil.
どうぞ。
Yeah, he likes her.
He's in love with her, I'm sure. Which is why he reacted the way he reacted in episode 2.
そこで超悪い悪魔が住んでるっぽい家を発見し、 またコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。
Gun flash.
ご苦労様。
Well, he says I haven't changed at all, but he's accepting Denji, which then makes me believe he's, like he said, he's only using the devils. No, he's just using a Denji. He's like, you know, he's a good ally for now. But when I have to kill him, I'll kill him.
Oh yeah, he won't hesitate.
Yeah. Wait for it. Denji's gonna save his life. I really want to know more about him. He's interesting.
Yeah, but also about his past.
Yeah, the past, the power. How did he manage to get this summoning ability? And how old is he?
He looks young though. Maybe
Maybe
early
20s? Yeah, early 20s. Potatoes. Potato chips. Cola. Oh my god, wait until Denji drinks cola.
Ah, they're making curry.
Power is moving in. Power is moving in.
Hmm? She's gonna move in with them?
He's gonna lose it.
君ならデンジ君とパワーちゃんの
Oh my
いい
god.
首輪になれるからね。
なんで俺の家にヤバいやつばかり集めるんですか。
もう死ぬじゃん。
おい、俺の最強だぞ。
No, this is crazy.
はい。
It's like, oh, I can only trust
Of
you with
course.
this. Okay. Wow, there's gonna be a lot.
This
to
is-
take care of two of them?
いい子にできるって言ってたから。トイレクソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
流せ。くせえんだ
I only flush shit on
クソ
occasion.
はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ。くせえんだよ。
She's gonna be more difficult to live
He
with.
doesn't even want to touch her boobs anymore. He's over it. The illusion is gone. Wash yourself, you stink.
そう流せねえのか、悪魔は。
Yeah, he doesn't want to touch her boobs anymore.
おい、クソ悪魔。
Shit devil. Oh, look how brown the thing is.
Stop. No, he doesn't want to anymore. Oh, look, stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't. Let's see what's gonna. Let's see what's gonna happen.
Ugh, one
胸
condition.
を揉んでいい回数は3もみじゃ。ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
He can't believe it.
This is the thumbnail right here.
Yeah.
天使。
My angel. This was the
A
episode.
second ago, he called her the shit devil, and now he's like, my angel!
Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. I'm here for it though. You know, it's a nice twist. It's something different. With a good amount of fighting.
Yeah.
And some crazy stuff. And some cute boys. And a crazy angel shit devil. She's cute
Do you
though.
think we're gonna see him touching the boobs?
I don't know.
He's probably gonna have a nosebleed or something because he's getting
Nosebleed.
so excited.
Oh,
Because she doesn't like vegetables.
she's throwing vegetables. Vegeta! Oh my god, she's gonna destroy the TV. Wait for it in the next episode. Oh, that's her in the toilet. Cute. This is such a nice ending.
Well,
What do you think?
Yeah, another crazy episode. Fun episode.
Fun. The show's a lot of fun.
Very surprising as well, because like I didn't expect there to be another devil suddenly
Same.
appearing out of nowhere.
That came out of the blue, completely unexpected. The leech devil. And I mean, the
And
leech
the
devil and the bat devil.
the bat
being-
was a man apparently, so
Yeah. And then being a couple. Ridiculous. But, that's the show. But also the fight, and it's interesting. So he can only become the chainsaw devil / chainsaw man for one instance, and then he basically runs out of blood.
yeah.
He needs to recover. He needs to regenerate. She was completely immobilized, which I thought
Which was weird,
Yeah.
because she was only in the stomach of the bat,
And not
so
for
why
long.
did
It was maybe 10 minutes? They fought for like 10 minutes, if that all. But he still fought. He was just like, yes, I have a cheap dream.
He wouldn't give up,
No, it's a simple dream, but I have a dream. And there was a moment as well, even throughout when he was speaking to Aki, he took it personal.
Mhm.
He took it really personal that people were making fun of his simple dream. He's saying, "I don't have fancy dreams like you. I just have a simple dream. Leave me dream.
Yeah, exactly.
Leave my dream, live my dream." And then Aki comes and just destroys that leech devil with one little.
Yeah, that was cool. That looked amazing.
That was super cool. But
So
interesting.
yeah, we learned something new again.
About Aki.
Yeah, so that you can also make a pact or bond with a devil,
But there is a price.
and then summon them, but you have to like give up something of yourself.
So he gave the fox devil a piece of his skin. I want to know more about him and how this came about. Because he's very, very clear about what he feels and thinks about devils. But here he is making a pact with them, which also goes back to what he said. He says,
Yeah,
you use
he's
them.
just using them.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, this wolf devil seems to be really strong.
You know what's interesting as well? He doesn't like Denji, but he gave up a little bit of his skin to save Denji,
Mhm.
right? So it's a very calculated decision. I need to give up a part of my body to save this idiot. He doesn't like him, but he still did it, So I wonder if we're going to see more moments where he needs to give up another part just to save him.
Mhm.
And will there be a moment throughout these episodes where he hesitates and says, you know what? I'm not going to
Yeah.
offer a part of my body to save him or Power, right? Because he doesn't like her either.
Yeah. Or there will be a moment actually where, what's his name? Denji? Denji saves him,
Yeah.
and then he will actually realize, okay,
I can trust him. He's a
I
good
can
one.
trust him. He's not just a devil.
Yeah,
you
maybe
know?
they'll become friends, not just, he's just a tool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to see if Denji is gonna progress, like become stronger over time and eventually maybe also transform
Further.
twice,
I see. You mean he's able to revert back to human and then become again, so fight longer.
Yeah.
Interesting. I want to say he can. He just needs to drink or eat blood or consume blood.
Yeah, like
right?
how does he regenerate? Because he doesn't eat
Humans. Animals. Toast with jam. That's his regeneration. With a little bit of cinnamon.
But we saw, like, obviously he was in the hospital then or somewhere, and they gave him a blood transfusion, and then they were able to just reattach the arm.
So he heals.
Yeah.
He heals. Very interesting episode. Like we said, we learn more as we progress. I find it interesting that it's only 12 episodes. It's not.
And this was episode
it's
4.
Yeah. But anyway, there is a movie coming this year, which is going to be quite exciting,
Mhm.
right? So super exciting to be watching this, and I like how it's progressing. Good pacing. Thank you guys for tuning in again for Chainsaw Man. We have so much more on the channel. Please subscribe if you have not already, and we'll see you for the next one. Bye.
Bye.